Hi there, ladies. In this quick tutorial, which I'm going to be doing in a few parts because there is quite a lot of information just to put into the block editor. So the reads for the spring season, I've already converted it to a block editor. So that is done. So after we have designed this post, when creating review posts like this again, you would literally just duplicate the block editor one, like for next month or whenever you're going to do another book review, you would just duplicate this one and then update the content because the layout is all going to be there. But I'm going to show you here just how to actually create those blocks and those elements. So we're going to keep it having image on the left, content on the right. So I'm going to open up here the post. And you're going to notice that it's going to open up in the Gutenberg block editor. So just ignore this. This is because I'm screen recording. So what we're going to do, we are now going to just remove everything that is currently here. Okay, because we need to now convert the blocks. Okay, so now we're starting from scratch. There's no content. So now we need to add all of our different elements. So for example, we now need to start adding our headers, our text, our subheaders, and then more text. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to go through literally just this first section, and then all of them would just be duplicates. So what we're going to do is we are going to add a header element. So to add any element, so on the top left, you're going to click on the blue plus sign. And here we're going to click the heading and we literally drag and drop. Pretty simple. So here I'm going to just pop in the heading, copy and paste. And this is header 3 that was used. So I'm going to put header 3. Now we want to add the text below that header, just the welcome text, which is this one here. And this is normal text, so no headings or anything like that. So now we're going to just press enter and we are going to press again top left the add button and we're going to say paragraph. And here we have our paragraph. Copy and paste the text, paste it in. So now is going to come the tricky part. So this is the simple part because this is just straight line text. But now, like here on the left, we need to have two columns, a column on the left for the image and then a column on the right for the content. So to create those columns, so again, now after this text line here, we're going to press enter. So now we're going to create our columns. Again, we're going to go to the top left, blue plus sign, and here all of our different elements are going to come up. So now we want to scroll down to the design section and we're going to go to columns. And we're going to click columns. And now it's going to tell us, will ask us, what format do we want? And this one here is pretty much the format that we want. 1/3 to 2/3 split. So we're going to click that layout. And here is giving us the first column to add an element. So this one is where the image is going to go on the left-hand side. So now we're going to say add block. And we can just say browse all. And now we're going to look for the image element. So we're going to scroll down and here we have the image element. And we're going to literally just drag and drop it into this blue box. You'll see how the blue box will highlight. And we're going to drag and drop it in there. And then we're going to say upload or just go to the media gallery. So I'm just going to use a template image for now. So I'm going to go into the media gallery and just grab something that's currently here. Let's just look for a good longish one. This is fine. So we're going to just say select. So now we've got our image. Now we need our text. So now we're going to click in this blank space on the right hand side of the image. We're going to click here and now you'll see it allows us to add more blocks. So now we want to add a block which is going to be also a heading because this text is heading text, not paragraph text. So here we are going to go to the heading element on the left. If you can't see this section on the left, always remember just to look for the blue plus sign on the top left hand side. Click that. We're going to go to our heading. We're going to drag and drop until this section highlights blue.